Okay, welcome to Daily 3D Revolve. Today I'm going to be doing a tutorial in Design Spark Mechanical, and I'm going to be showing you guys how to create your own money clip. Okay, we'll go ahead and open the program. Go ahead and go to File, select New Design, change this to Plan View. Now we're going to grab the line tool, drag out 2.75, enter. And we're going to go up 0.5. Now we're going to come over 1.85 at a 79.9 degree angle. Click there. And then we're going to come up. We're going to go 0.914 at a 164.1 degree angle. Okay, we'll click off. Now we're going to grab our create corners. We're going to click 1 point there, 1 point there. We're going to do a radius of 1.941. Now we're going to grab that same tool again. We're going to put a radius in here of, let's go 0.24. And then we're going to put another one in here, the same. Okay, now we're going to go select everything. I'm going to come up here to the offset, and we're going to offset on the inside 0.0625, so be a 1/16 of an inch. We're going to Control plus. We're going to grab our line tool. We go from endpoint to endpoint and endpoint to endpoint. Control minus. We're going to pull. We're going to go ahead and give this a little spin. We'll click on the graphic, select pull, and then we'll type in 1.5. Okay, go ahead and give this a spin. Come in here, Control plus. We're going to go to pull. We're going to drag this to 0.4. You can just type it in. We'll spin. Do the bottom one. 0.4. Just do this one. 0.4. Then we'll do that last one. 0.4. Okay, we're going to go ahead and pan over. We're going to get our pull tool. We're going to select till everything is highlighted. Then we're going to drag a fillet 0.020 inches. Click off. We'll do the same on the bottom. .020 inches. Okay. Now we're going to put a graphic right here, a money sign symbol. I downloaded it and I already created it. So we're going to go click there on that face, select plan view. Okay, now we're going to go to the file. We're going to change this down to a step file. And then we're going to import the step file. We'll say OK to this. Let's drag this down. Control minus. Let's select everything. Come up here to fill, and we'll fill it. Now we want to go ahead and select these little end pieces. Don't need those. Go ahead and select everything. We're going to move this up. And we're going to move it over to the right. Okay, I'll give this a spin. Make sure that's where we want it to be. We'll pull this out. Just go 0.120. That's good enough. Make sure we didn't pull that out too far. I think that's a little far, so we'll go undo. Give this a spin so we can see it better. Select pull. Let's go 0.050 inches. Okay, now we'll go ahead and get rid of that. We don't need it. Go to our structure. Don't really see it. My structure doesn't seem to be working. So let's go to top view. Go to the front view. Okay, delete. I guess this is the back. Okay, that's going to be our money clip. Let's go to the isometric. Give this a little bit of a spin. Got the $sign on there. Okay, this is going to be 2.75 this way. The long way, it's going to be 1.5 this way, and it's a 1/2 inch tall here. Should be able to print this. Durable plastic. It'll be flexible enough. It'll hold your money. Okay, that's going to end today's tutorial. Hopefully you enjoy watching and you got something useful out of this video. Thanks for watching.